Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can bet.
Why is my stomach making such weird noises? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So I thought I would interrupt Vlogmas for a sit down video. Do you guys like that idea, or should I just continue doing Vlogmas throughout the whole of the month and skip these sit down videos? Let me know in the let me know in the comments down below if you guys like the fact that I've interrupted Vlogmas for a sit down video, or if you just want me to continue with the rest of Vlogmas for the rest of this month. Whew, that was a bit of a handful to say. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. It is now day, let's figure this out, 4th day of Vlogmas, but on the 5th of December. Now Vlogmas is really confusing. I'm getting so confused with all the dates, but I think it's technically day 4, but it goes live on day 5, the 5th of December. Does that make sense? I don't know. Anyway, end of November was Black Friday, and I feel like Black Friday really took over this season. It started the week before the Friday, and it ended up going on all the way until Monday, and it was just such a long week of discounts everywhere. I mean, it's great if you're looking to buy Christmas presents for people. I haven't. I just bought myself a present, but I have an excuse. We finally reached 1,000 subscribers. I thought it was the perfect opportunity for me to treat myself as a congratulations, and yeah, I bought myself something on Black Friday sale. I have got my box here, which I was gonna save for the video and unbox it, but I couldn't wait. I just get too excited when I get a package and I just wanna open it up straight away. So I've got my box here, and inside the box is my receipts and returns and stuff. Oh, it actually comes with a returns label, which is great. I hate when you order something online and it never comes with its own returns label. Also guys, my cold is still here. Can you hear it in my voice? I sound so nasally and it actually just makes me feel disgusting, but I'm feeling so much better. I'm just gonna get straight into my unboxing. So I ordered off of Browns because they were one of the only websites that I found online that had 20% off of every item online, and obviously Browns is a designer website and I wanted to treat myself, so I went on there and I found something that I liked and I purchased it, and it arrived and I've got it here in my hand. It comes in this Browns dust bag, and inside there is another dust bag. Oh, wrong way. There we go. So can you guys see what this is? From Valentino. And I love Valentino. I've never owned anything Valentino, so this is a bit of a moment for me. I'm so excited to finally have my hands on something from Valentino. I actually wanted the Valentino shoes for a very long time, and they too were on sale, but I didn't like the colorways that Browns had online. I just didn't think I'd get as much wear out of them as I probably would a few years ago, so I kind of put them on hold for now, and I decided to go for a bag. I really hope you guys like this bag because I'm so in love, it's unreal. So inside the dust bag is nothing but the bag. I don't know what's wrong with me today, honestly. The bag comes like this. This is my bag. I hate all of this package. I need to take it off. This bag was £830, and with the discount it came to £664. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my phone. It's called the Off-White Rock Stud Leather Crossbody Bag from Valentino. I absolutely love the rock style. I think it's so nice, and it's actually quite a large bag. I was contemplating between this bag and a Fendi black bag. The reason I ended up going for this one instead of the Fendi one, even though the Fendi one was a little bit cheaper, I ended up going for this one because it's bigger and I have quite a few black crossbody bags anyway. The only bag that I have like this is my Dior, and I thought it would be really nice to kind of update that because that's getting really worn now. I wear it so much, so now I have two that are very similar colors, and so the Dior one is like a baby pink, whereas this is off-white as it says, so it's more like a beigey cream, and the studs are gold. So I thought it would be great to be able to alternate between the two, and the other one won't get as ruined now that I have two to rotate within. And I love wearing this colour and the pink colour throughout the whole of the year. Really, I don't really find it to be a seasonal bag because I love wearing this colour during this time of year. All the pinks and the pastel colours I think look really, really great during winter, and it's not just a summer bag for me. But I know I will get so much wear out of this. Bag is all free, and my voice, I've attached this strap properly. I've still kept this on, but I'll cut it off in a bit. I can't find my scissors right now. This is the bag. I can't believe I have a Valentino bag. I know whenever I do these videos, I know that some of the items that I buy are quite expensive and not within everyone's price budget, but it's not like I buy designer items all the time. I save up for stuff, and this was a goal for me. Like, reaching 1,000 subscribers on YouTube was a big thing. I've been working towards this for a whole year, and my aim was to get 1,000 by October, which would have meant a whole year on YouTube. But I think the fact that I did take some time off during the summer for personal reasons kind of held me back a little bit. And it all happened in November, which I'm not complaining about because it was an excuse to use a Black Friday discount to get something designer. It's a beautiful bag, and like I said, it's a lot bigger than my Dior bag, and I would definitely be able to get a lot of use out of this during the day. The bag has got a clasp here, so you just lift that up and open it up like that. Inside here, the strap goes all across like that from the inside. Inside the bag, as you can see, it is a small bag at the end of the day. It is a crossbody bag, but it's quite large for a crossbody bag. It's quite thick on the sides and it's quite deep as well, which is good, and it fits my phone, which is like the #1 important thing. And there's so much space in here. I would definitely be able to put that camera in here, as well as lipstick keys and my card holder in here. So that is perfect and exactly what you need for a crossbody bag. I would say my Dior one is slightly on the smaller side, so having something that is a little bit bigger means I get a lot more use out of it, which I am not complaining about. Inside the bag here, we actually have a pocket, and you can put like cards or like really important bits, and then we also have some Valentino bits. So this is, I don't know what it is, so like just a little guarantee card. And then in here, I believe are some studs, because that's what it feels like. Yes, it is. How many do we have? Oh, we have 2 studs. That's great. So we have the stud and the secure thingy, what they called, I don't know. So I'm definitely going to keep these somewhere safe. Now on the back of the bag, it actually has a sign where it says Valentino there. I don't know if you can see. Let me make it darker. There we go, Valentino. And then the studs kind of go all the way across the front and around the back like that, all the way there, and at the bottom as well. So even if you pop your bag down like that, the studs kind of keep it off from this bit touching the bottom so it doesn't get dirty. So there we have it. That is my new baby. I'm so in love with it. I think I say that about all my designer items. I just really, really like them. But like I said, this is something that I have worked very, very hard towards. If it wasn't for all of your continuous support, I would not have purchased this, because like I said, it was a treat, and every time I look at this bag, it will remind me of reaching my goal of 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys for coming and sticking around, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next Vlogmas video. Bye!